Inspiration boards, vision boards, and mood boards are wonderful tools to help you create the look and feel that you want in your home. Hi everyone, it's Carol from Discover Interior Design, and I'm so glad you're here. In this video, we're going to be talking about vision and inspiration boards and mood boards, and kind of what the difference is and how we can use both of those to create a design for our home or for a room. And so let's just kind of take a look at inspiration or vision boards first and kind of just think about, what those are. And, I always think of inspiration board or vision board, and it doesn't necessarily have to be a board. It could be, a box or a folder or, something online where you're just collecting things that you love. And it could be just everything from, a painting that you saw at a museum to a dress that you like, or even paint colors, or, a room in a magazine, whatever it is, throughout your lifetime. I always think of, an inspiration board as something that just reflects what you love, and that may change and evolve over your lifetime, but I always think it's really important to have fun collecting things that you like, because what that's telling you is, what it is that you love, and it's talking about your style and, the feelings that you like and the look and feel that you like to things. And it could be just a variety of different things, because I know for myself, I love to collect ideas and inspirations, and it could be, a dress that I really love, or, a room that I really like the look of, or, a piece of wrapping paper that I love. So just collecting that over time, that helps me to just know what I love and what it is that makes me smile and get excited. So the same for you. We can think of inspiration and vision boards almost as part of the information gathering process. So where you are just thinking about and reflecting upon what it is that you love. And, when we're thinking about interior design and really, thinking about that and focusing in on interior design, what is the type of style that you like? What, look and feel do you like? And just using that as a tool, to help you think about all those things in your home. And then the other side of that is what designers refer to as a mood board. And it could even be, sometimes there's an overlapping of vision board or inspiration board. And for this video, we'll just kind of talk about mood boards, in that they're going to be a little bit different than an inspiration or vision board. And what a mood board is, a designer is trying to capture the look and feel that a client is going for in their home or in a room. And it's trying to capture the mood, the look and the feel and the style, everything that, the client was telling the designer that they want for this room. And so it's a design concept. Really what it is, it's a design concept. It's saying, okay, after gathering all this information and figuring out, the look and feel that you want, here's a plan. Here's a visual way of seeing what that's going to look like, what, the plan is for this room or for your home. And, it's the end of that design process of information gathering. It's really, an overview, but it's also a very detailed way of saying, okay, this is the paint color we would like to use on these walls. Here's the carpet, here's the countertop, whatever room it is, all the materials and finishes that you're going to be using in a room or in your entire home. It's a plan. It's a visual way, almost a spreadsheet of, a list of, but in a visual way of everything that's going to go into a room or your home. And, a mood board is where you are implementing a design. You're coming up with a design concept. You're taking all of that information gathering, all of the inspiration, all of those things that you love and the look and feel that you want, and you're putting it into a design concept. It's a plan for a room where you want to implement that into your home. So what's included on a mood board? Well, a mood board is going to include a variety of different things. Depending on the room, that'll have, very specific things. But overall, your mood board would include materials and finishes. It would include inspirations. Maybe, there's a beautiful fall leaf color that you love, or, something else from nature that you want to remember to be inspired by that, helps to create that look and feel that you're going for. It's going to include different types of furnishings. It's going to include everything that we think of, down to here is a specific light fixture, or here is the couch and the fabric that is going to go on that couch. It's a plan, it's an overview, but it's also a design concept, a design plan of everything that you're going to put in that room. So how do you, use your inspiration board, your vision board, your collection of ideas and things that you love, and turn them into a design concept, something that you want to implement? Well, the first thing I would do is, keep, using a vision board and keep adding to it throughout your lifetime. I always feel it's just this fun way to reflect who you are and what you love. But if you really want to redo your living room, for example, well, start a new inspiration or vision board. This is where you're going to start to gather information specifically for that room. Gather, couch styles or fabrics you love or paint colors that you like. And you're going to start to play with, what it is that you really like. And think about, what is the look and feel that you're going for? Do you want it to look relaxing and something really comfortable? Or do you want it to be kind of vibrant and fun? And start to think about budget. All of those different things that will go into creating that look and feel, that design concept you want. You want to think about function, making sure that the coffee table that you have is going to work with your sofa, and just thinking about relationships and all of the different things that go into designing a room. And the next step is really focusing in on, okay, what materials, what finishes, what colors, what style is really going to help me create the look and feel that I want. And you're going to start to narrow it down so that you can create a design concept, a plan, a mood board to help keep you focused. And then after you come up with a really nice visual plan, a nice overview, a nice design concept of how you want that room to look and feel, then, keep in mind that you may need to pivot sometimes. And so, for an example, say you are, designing your dining room. You have the paint and, the beautiful chandelier that's going to go over your dining room table, and all of the colors and the window coverings, everything. You have this beautiful design concept. But then all of a sudden, that chandelier that you fell in love with is no longer available. Well, that's where you go back to your design concept, your mood board, and what can you find that will replace that chandelier, that will have a similar look and feel, so that everything stays cohesive and still works together, and that will bring all of that together. So just keep that in mind. Your mood board is there as a tool to keep you focused, and so that, you can move forward with your plan, but make adjustments if you need to. So what are some things to keep in mind about vision boards, inspiration boards, and mood boards? Well, one of them is, they are part of the design process. Our vision or inspiration board is really this nice collection of things that we love. And then a mood board is where we come up with a design concept to implement all of those ideas that we have and to implement the look and feel that we want in a room or in our home. And both of them are important tools just to use to keep us excited about interior design and also to help create the look and feel that we want in our home. So in your busy day, take a moment and, think about if you want to change out the look and feel in one of your rooms. How can you get started? Do you have some ideas and things that you love already that you've been collecting online or even just in a box or in a folder? And can you start to use some of those ideas to create a design concept for a room and to kind of start thinking about how you can create a plan to implement that design, and so that you can kind of create a new design that reflects who you are and make that dream, those inspirations, into reality. So, share in the comments if you've used, a vision board, inspiration board, or even a mood board to create a plan to, create a new design in your home. So I'd love to hear your design suggestions and ideas on that in the comments. And I want to thank you so much for watching, and please like and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Take care.